Welcome back. In this video I'm doing daily Leetcode problem, and for today that's 624 maximum distance in arrays. Okay, we are given m arrays where each array is sorted in ascending order. You can pick up two integers from two different arrays and calculate the distance. We define the distance between two integers a and b to be their absolute difference, a minus b, return the maximum distance. Okay, so the idea behind this problem is to the idea of approach I'm going to use is to store index of like maximum number and second maximum number, and the same thing for minimum. So the minimum number is second minimum number. And in case if maximum number and minimum number are from the same array, we take a combination. So the bigger combination between maximum and minimum, second minimum, or second maximum and minimum. I hope it makes sense. Let me code it up. So in constraints, we see that we have at least two arrays. So I'm going to start like this. If the greatest element in first array is greater or equal greatest element from second array, I'll call imax1 will be 0, imax2 will be 1, else imax 1 is equal to 1, imax 2 is equal to 0, and I'll do the same thing for minimum. This so if array 0 is less than this one, min 1 is 0, min 2, okay. So after this part, we just need to go through the array. So pass one time and find the greatest and second greatest minimum and maximum, greatest maximum and second greatest maximum, and second smallest minimum and the minimum. So for index array in arrays, since I already did it for first two arrays, we need to skip them. So if index is less than 2, we continue. Else, so we'll need something like this. If arrays of max1 is greater than array of -1, but this time we're going to use so smaller, not small. So if arrays of okay, then so imax2 is imax1. We need to update our second best, and we need to update mx1. Also, we need to check so for the second imx2 is less than array, then imx2 is equal to index, and similar thing for minimum. So if it's greater, and this is 0. And also we don't want to do it, so if we need else and else, so should be okay if it's greater than array. This part should be okay. And now just for the return, so if I max1 is not equal I min1, we return and if it's not, we just return so max out of max1 min2 max2 min1 max1 min2 max2. Okay, I think this should work. Let's try. It's accepted. And it's okay. And it seems pretty efficient too. Let's check once more. Like this. So to reiterate, first we initialized max1 and max2 and min1, min2 with first two arrays. So we initialized both elements, both all four of them, and then we passed through all other arrays from index 2 on, and we found maximum now index of array with a maximum element, index of array of a second maximum element, and the same for the minimum. And in case if greatest and so maximum and minimum are from the same array, then we use those second greatest and second smallest. And if they're not from the same array, then we just return their distance. So yeah, for the space complexity, so it's all one we just used for variables and offsides int. And for the time complexity, it's off, and so we have just one loop. Okay, I'm a bit tired, so I'm I'm ready for sleep. So Thank you for bearing through this one with me, and see you in the next one.